Hi everyone. We'd like to welcome you to our Global Citizenship course. My name is Jeroen de Wolf. I was born in Belgium and came to Cal in 2007. I'm a Berkeley faculty member at the Department of German, where I direct the Dutch Studies program. I'm also the director of Berkeley's Institute of European Studies. I've organized several study abroad programs in the past, which inspired me to develop this Global Citizenship course. Whenever I speak with students about their study abroad experiences, they tell me how life-changing their time was. But they would often struggle to pinpoint exactly why it was so important to them. While we all know that traveling is important to our development as human beings, it can be hard to understand what specifically is so profound about the experience. So the goal of this course is to encourage you to reflect on the importance of your international experience. It will require an intellectual reflection that transcends national borders, and you will be challenged to develop what I called a global consciousness, meaning a better awareness of what it means to be a citizen of a globalized world. I'm aware that not all of you are taking this global internship course abroad. But regardless of where your internship takes place, we know that globalization affects everyone, everywhere. And I strongly believe that a reflection on global consciousness is just as important for those who work in a domestic as in an international location. This course will give you a series of tasks that will challenge you to interact with people in your workplace and explore the city where your internship is taking place. These tasks will relate to a variety of topics, such as social justice and inequality, art and aesthetics, mobility and urban planning, or social behavior and humor. A series of audiovisual lectures, writing assignments, and online group discussions will stimulate you to leave the comfort zone of what you are familiar with and to explore alternative views on right and wrong, good and bad, and the beautiful and the ugly. Now, I do realize that this course will give you extra work, and that it is not always easy to focus on school after you've finished working. But I did make a special effort to come up with topics that you can also explore in your free time. And I'm convinced that this course will ultimately enrich your internship experience. I look forward to working together and to helping you increase your consciousness about the challenges and delights of being a global citizen.